So hello all of you. I am Siddharth and I'm going to give you a demonstration of this offline e-commerce website that I developed under the internship with Future Ready Talent and Microsoft. So this is basically the screen that you are seeing is the seller end. So what is seller end? Basically, I put a microservice architect in designing this whole website. So we have seller end and the buyer. So I do this so that they both work separately. So if just in case seller server goes down, then it will have no effect, means zero effect at the buyer side. Or if the buyer side goes down, it will have zero effect on the seller side. So let us start how the website work and how things look like. So as you can see this is the seller home. As you can see, this is the seller home. This is the website link and it show the logo or the shop image that I have already uploaded. This is the name of the shop, address, the owner, and the email ID. Of course, this is a random person. So here are some product that I have already uploaded under this user. So you can see, I can see the product name, what is the type of the product, and a little description about the product as well as the price. And here I can also search my product. Imagine a situation where I have uploaded many product and I want to know about certain products. So I can just say window. So it will just show me all the product which are related to this keyword window. Even if I just type wind, then it will also show me this window because wind is related to this window. Okay, so this is the seller home. Here I have the option for upload the product, order, here's the history and the logout and the contact. If I click the contact, then it opens my Gmail account. So here at the upload product, I will quickly upload and product. I will name this Microsoft mouse. Okay. Product type is of course a mouse. Description, I will say this is a very good mouse, and the price I will say about 600, and I will choose a product image to upload here. So I will go and choose a image and I will upload the product. So basically what happened in the backend, it go to the virtual machine where all these things are running. So when I upload a product, it create a product URL and it upload that image in the Azure Blob service, and it give me the URL for accessing that image in the Azure Blob service. So that is really nice. So you can see that I uploaded this mouse and it is here. You can see that all the things are there, the description, product type, and the product name and the price. So this is how I upload the product. Here's the history and order history. In the order, I will want to show that it also shows what is the status of the order. So here I will get the option like I already accepted this order. So I am getting the option like cancel the order, or I can say that it is out for the delivery. This is showing the quantity, and this is the buyer email and address and name. Of course, these are not real values. So for this product, it is saying the status is pending. What it means that buyer has put the order for this product for me, but I haven't accept the order. So I will say I am going to accept this order. So it update the order to status, and I say that this order is out for the delivery. So it update the status out for the delivery, and in history it will show me all the cancelled orders. So the order may be cancelled by me or it may be cancelled by the buyer. And it also show the order that I received. So order are received when the buyer set the status for a particular order as delivered, then it is selected as received. So this is all about the seller, and this some more details in the history like order ID, product ID. Now let's go to the buyer end. So how it looks like. So this is a buyer end. Here I have this URL and this is all product. It is showing me all kind of product that in this website. So here I can have three options. Either I can buy the product, I can add them to the cart or this list. So suppose I want to put this product to the cart, I will say add to the cart. So but it want me to log in first. So this is a cool feature that user must log in before accessing putting any order or using any functionality. So I will log in here. Okay, it logged me in. So I can now put this product. The product name is Window 11 into the cart, and the quantity I want is 2. So I will put it into the cart. It's saying item has been added to your cart. So let's check our cart. Okay, so you can see here is an item in our cart. Now at certain point, I want to switch this product from the cart to the wish list. So I can go here, I can either remove this item from the cart, add it to the wish list, or I can buy it. And here I can also specify the quantity. Or I can, in the case if there are many products, then I have this bulk option where I can just buy all the item in the cart or add all the item in the cart to the wish list or just empty the cart. So I will say that buy all items. So it's saying that order has been placed. So I will go to the account. So yeah, the buyer account, there are four options, the orders that they have put. So these are the order that I have put. So this one is pending. This one is accepted. Okay, I will show this later. And here is another card. So there's no product in the cart. This is the wish list. Again, there is no product in the wish list. Let me add some product in the wish list. Suppose I am adding this to the wish list. So if I now go to my wish list, you can see there's a product. And let me change that. I want to put this product to the cart, not in the wish list. So I will submit. Now I will go to the account and see my cart. Okay, so you can see that this item is now in the cart and not in the wish list. Here is the history that I can see and the status is the same thing. One thing I want to put in attention that after the history, I have no option like here. I have no option of setting the status because the order has been already delivered or has been cancelled. So there's no use of putting any option like change the status like it is delivered or I want to cancel the order. Okay, so this was the account. Now let me show you parallelly two things so that we can understand better. So here, okay. So this was the seller account. You can see that here I have the orders. I just received this order from the buyer. Okay, so here I can see this is the order. This one is accepted. This one is pending. So which one is pending? Order ID 35. So this is the order ID 35. This is pending. So I am the seller and here is the buyer. Now buyer at this point has the option to cancel the order or say that order has been received. So here the seller has the option to accept the order, cancel the order or say that it is out for delivery. So I will accept the order as the seller. So you can see that order number 35, it status has been changed to accept. So now we will refresh this buyer page to see what is the status of my order. Yeah, this is accepted. Now at certain point of time, I say that this order has been received. I will update the status to the received. Now you will notice one thing that once the order get is received, there is no such thing. There's no order number. If I just order is refresh, there's no order number 35 because once the order has been received, as I already mentioned, it will go to the history page. So you can see here is that order number 35, and here the seller can also see in the history of the order number 35. Okay, this is the order number 35. And another feature that here I will like to show in the buyer end, if I add few item in the cart, suppose I add this item to the cart, and again I add this item to the cart, and I add this item to the cart. Now, if I change this status, I say I want to add this item to the cart. So that item will not now reflect in my cart because I changed that to the wish list. That item will reflect in my wish list, as you can see. Or if at any point, if I say that I want to buy this order, proceed. So now once it's a logical business logic that once I buy the order that there's no sense of having that product in the cart. So you can see there's no laptop in the cart, neither in the wish list because I brought that order. So once I put an order for an product, then it will get remove all the entries for that particular product in the wish list and the cart. And here this search option, this is really very powerful. I want to show you this. So if suppose I am looking for laptop, it's showing me the laptop. If I just looking for the, I don't know the name of the product. I just know it is something like Surface. So it also show me this product because it has a name Surface. So this searching tool is very, very powerful. If I say mouse, if I just type MOUS, it show me the mouse. So this is really good feature. And so this was the buyer end and this was the seller end. And again, I'm saying that if any of the end goes down, if the seller end goes down or the server of the seller get crashed, then it will have no effect on the buyer. By that, what I mean is that if the server is down and buyer is able to access all the functionality as it is normal situation, and whatever they will do, that will get recorded. So if a buyer purchases a product or change the status of any order, then it will reflect in the seller whenever the servers get into the working state again. So the same for the seller. If seller put the status for order as out for delivery, and due to some reason the buyer server is down, but it will not affect the transition. Once the buyer and come into the status of living, then the buyer will be able to see all the update that the seller has made for their particular product. So this was the offline e-commerce. Why offline? Yeah, this point is very important. Now, at any point, I don't want to have the purchase from this website. I want to look at some store near to my house. So show me the address. This address is near to my house, or I can directly contact this person that I want to purchase your this product. So it just remove that third party between the seller and the buyer. So this offline e-commerce is not the traditional Amazon or Flipkart example. It is unique in itself because it is not becoming the single a single point of failure actually between the seller and buyer. Is just becoming a medium for seller and buyer to know each other, or if they are interested, they can do the purchase from here, or as they can contact to each other directly from this address or this email ID. So I am Siddharth Pawar, and there will be lots of updates coming on, like the notification thing, so that if buyer or seller change status of the any product order, or if buyer put order for any product, then they will get the notification about the status of product and other things. So this and many more features are going to come down the line in this project. So thank you so much for giving me your time.